Number 1.
1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,000, powered by a 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, showing only 86,000 original miles. It is a single cab, long bed, 2WD truck finished in bright teal metallic with silver lower accents and a gray interior, running on gasoline. The truck has a clean title, is accident-free, and is very rust-free, with original paint that remains in good condition aside from a few minor bumps consistent with age. It was originally purchased new in 1993 by the owner's grandfather and has been well cared for since. It runs and drives great and is up to date on maintenance, including new tires, a new alternator, and a new windshield. There is a minor power steering leak, which will be repaired if the truck does not sell quickly. A clean Carfax report is available upon request.
Number 2.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,000. This truck has 221,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a burgundy exterior complemented by a red interior, giving the truck a classic and distinctive look. The air conditioning and heating systems are fully functional, providing comfort in various driving conditions. The truck is equipped with fairly new tires and wheels, contributing to a smooth and reliable ride. It has recently received a fresh paint job, and the interior has been approximately 80% redone, showing good overall condition for its age. All components and features on the truck work as they should, making this Chevrolet 1500 a dependable and well-cared-for vehicle.
Number 3.
1994 Chevrolet 3500, price $10,000, clean and well-preserved truck with only 38,000 original miles. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, finished in a white exterior with a gray interior. Originally from California, the truck was repainted at some point. While there are a few areas where the paint has peeled, the overall appearance remains very nice and presentable. With just over 38,000 original miles, this truck feels tight and solid, showing no door sag on the driver's side and no rattles while driving. It is a two-wheel drive setup and features cold-blowing air conditioning for added comfort. The truck also comes with a flip-over gooseneck ball, making it ideal for towing a boat or camper to the lake or campground. Everywhere it goes, it draws attention and sparks conversations, as it truly stands out in both condition and appearance.
Number 4.
2000 GMC Sierra 1500, price $8,500, solid and well-maintained pickup that has been primarily used for daily commuting between home and work. It has traveled approximately 200,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission and a reliable 5.3L V8 gasoline engine paired with a capable 4x4 drivetrain. The truck features a gray exterior with a matching clean gray interior, and it has been kept smoke-free. The owner has maintained the vehicle well, with services kept up regularly, making it a dependable option for anyone looking for a cash truck. It comes tow-ready and includes the desirable Z71 package, clean rims, and a clean interior overall. According to the owner, the truck has had no accidents, and a Carfax report is available upon request.
Please note that the toolbox shown is not included. Number 5.
1999 GMC 1500, price $10,000. It has accumulated 276,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission and a gasoline engine. It features a black exterior with a matching black interior, giving the truck a clean and cohesive look. The truck runs and drives well, and the engine has been swapped. While the exact mileage on the replacement engine is unknown, it runs strong and performs properly. Under the hood, it is powered by a 5.3L V8, providing solid performance for daily driving or light hauling.
The truck is a short bed model and is equipped with a quadristeer bed, adding uniqueness and improved maneuverability. The exterior has received fresh paint and presents well overall, though the passenger side door would benefit from a light polish. It also includes a Titan rear window, and the interior remains clean and well kept for its age. Number 6.
1981 Chevrolet K10, price $9,500. This truck has approximately 125,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. It features a yellow exterior combined with a black interior and is powered by a gasoline engine. Under the hood, it is equipped with a small block 350 engine paired with a turbo 354 wheel drive transmission, delivering solid performance and classic K10 capability. The truck has a short wheelbase setup and sits on large 26x14 wheels with a 6-inch suspension lift, giving it an aggressive stance. Overall condition is good for its age, with very little to no rust noted. The vehicle does run and drive, making it a solid starting point for further improvement, though it will require some exhaust work and minor front-end work to be fully dialed in.
Number 7.
1993 Toyota regular cab, price $3,000, with a 22RE engine, 2WD, and manual transmission. It has 160,000 miles, runs on gasoline, and features a white exterior with a gray interior. The truck has a clean title in hand, is rust-free, and has relatively low mileage. It was resprayed at some point and presents well overall. The engine has good compression at 160 psi across all cylinders, the valves were adjusted to spec, and the transmission shifts smoothly. Many new parts have been installed, including ignition components, fuel system parts, cooling components, interior carpet with sound deadening, and new headlights and taillights. A box of spare parts is included. The truck does run poorly, as it idles but shuts off and bogs under throttle. It also needs a cracked windshield, tires, valve cover gasket, seat upholstery, and cosmetic interior work.
Number 8.
1990 Chevrolet 2500, price $3,900, powered by a 5.7L Vortec gasoline engine mated to an automatic transmission and a capable 4x4 drivetrain. It has 131,000 miles on the odometer and features a gray exterior paired with a red interior. The engine and transmission are both strong and perform as they should, making it a dependable truck for daily use or work purposes. All systems on the truck are fully functional. It has a good suspension setup, fresh oil service, and newer Michelin tires that provide a comfortable and stable ride.
The heater works properly, and the air conditioning is operational, though it may require a Freon recharge for optimal cooling.
Inside, the interior is in good condition with a clean dashboard and no cracks, reflecting careful ownership over the years. The truck comes with a clean Utah title in hand.
Number 9.
1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $2,500. It has traveled approximately 270,000 miles and is powered by a strong 4.3L V6 gasoline engine that delivers solid torque and classic Chevy performance, paired with a manual transmission for a more engaging driving experience. The truck features a 4WD system, making it suitable for various road and work conditions, and provides seating for up to 3 passengers. The exterior is finished in green with a red interior. Overall condition reflects normal use for its age, with the body and paint rated as fair and the interior also in fair condition.
Number 10. 1971 GMC 1500, price $3,000, with 71,000 miles on the odometer. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a 350 V8 small block engine paired with a Demon carburetor, running on gasoline. The truck features a blue exterior with a white interior and comes with a clean title that is in hand. Overall, the truck is in pretty solid condition for its age. The drip rails and cab corners are solid, and all the glass is clean. There are only 2 to 3 small rust holes, which are shown in the pictures. It sits on rear leaf springs and retains its original long bed configuration. Please note that the truck does not currently run. It has been sitting for several years and will need to be towed away.